Careface CVP. Subscribe, like, comment, and let the whole world know about Careface CVP.
Samantha, 400 million. Shout out to Careface CVP. Let everybody know this Mosiah 31st is the the second annual International Emancipation Day, which our Costa Rica UNIA division was successful in advocating for at the United Nations. So everybody, celebrate. It's international. It's part of our constitution and the UNIA to celebrate Mosiah 31st as an international holiday for our people.
So what if I want to join the UNIA? How do I get to join?
You could definitely reach out to me. My contact number is 647-447-6209. You could also email me at our.story.found@gmail.com. So it's our.story.found@gmail.com. Well, this is the Message to the People, the Course of African Philosophy edited by our brother Strong Garvey, Tony Martin. This is actually the course that His Excellency the Right Honorable Marcus Mosiah Garvey taught in Toronto. Out of the building at 355 College. If anyone knows the UNIA building that used to be there.
The Timeless Building?
Yes.
Right.
Yes.
That's another history again I've done on my YouTube channel. You guys can go check it out too,
As we said, up there, with your help, up there, we will be going.
Hey, my brother, so is there anything else you want to say about UNIA?
One God, one aim, one destiny.
Honor.
Blessed love.
Brought to you by Careface CVP. Subscribe, like, comment, and let the whole world know about us. Careface CVP.